What's up, everybody? Today we've got some more rice for the red Civic here. Got a set of Underglow lights for it. Get everything unpacked here. It seems to be okay, but it is just a cheap Amazon kit. The only thing I'm not liking about this kit though is it does plug into the cigarette lighter. So I might end up having to change that later, but I don't have a switch to wire that in, so we're just gonna have to use this for now. But it should work fine. This kit is just has these connectors right here from the lights to the wiring. So pretty simple. Just screw these together, and then these two lights are linked together and these two are linked together. So you only have two leads to deal with. But we'll go ahead and get this thing up in the air, figure out where we're gonna put all our different strips at, and get to going. Alright, got this thing up in the air, got all these laid out where they need to go. You see how these two are connected there, and then these two are connected. So I've got them laid out to where both ends land right here in the same area, and we can run it up into the car to the wiring and stuff. But whenever you go to put these on, just look for scrape marks like right here and right here, and make sure you don't put it somewhere where the car scrapes a lot. And the kit come with, of course, it's like sticky tape on the back of these, but then there's these little things. So we'll go ahead and switch over to a time lapse and get this stuff put up there. Sorry I turned that time lapse off early, but this wasn't really going according to plan. These little bracket things that they sent turned out to be rubber. So they weren't really holding stuff in place. And the screws that came with it weren't self-tappers, so I ended up having to drill little holes everywhere to get the screws started. But this is what we came up with. There's the front strip, kind of janky, and then this side here, could use another one on the front. I kind of misjudged the length there. Same on the back. But I done scooted the car over on the lift so I could get to this side. So I'm gonna have to go back and fix that later. But this one ended up okay. It's tucked up pretty good. And then the back one just goes like this, which from, you know, this angle you won't be able to see it. At least I hope not. I really hate it whenever you can see the like individual LED lights or whatever. I'd rather just kind of be a solid glow. Hopefully this comes out that way. And then I took all the wiring, which luckily it was just 2 wires on this kit, and ran them out into the engine bay. So this one's coming through here where the intercooler pipe used to be, and then this one comes up around the subframe and up the firewall and up that way. And then took this screwdriver, taped the end of the wire to this, and then pushed it through that hole there. And that got the wiring to inside the car. So now I got both the leads right here. So now I just have to screw these into that little wiring box and then wire the cigarette outlet to the end of those wires, and hopefully everything will work. So we got this goes to this right here, just a little box thingy. And then our 2 leads are right here. So once you get the kit installed, it's actually pretty easy to wire up. I do wish there was a switch to the battery instead of this, but Oh well, this will work for now. So I'm just gonna put these two wires together and then screw these two connectors together. We'll plug it in and see if it works. Alright, let's see what happens. Just got the wire thrown in right there for now. Comes from behind the carpet over there. Colors are happening. Guess we'll just put it on that demo mode. See how it looks. Alright, so there's the front. Hopefully when the bumper's on you won't be able to see the individual LEDs. Sides are working. Lift was in the way there. I thought a section of it was out for a second. And let's see the back. Yeah. Everything's working. Awesome. I was kind of scared I might have pinched a wire or something, fishing it up through the subframe and then through the firewall and everything. Looks like it's all good to go though. I might have scooted too far in towards the middle of the car. I don't know. We'll see. So I guess we'll pick this up whenever it gets dark outside. Alright. Dark out. Came over here to mat it. Gonna do a little montage to finish this video off, but this will be the end of it here. Drive down the street and stuff, show y'all what it looks like, but thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.